I'm about to show you how you can make up to 30,000 naira to 40,000 naira or even more using this best unlimited crypto arbitrage method. Let's go, guys. What's up, beautiful people? Now in today's video, I'm about to show you step by step how you can be able to make up to 30,000 naira to 40,000 naira or even more using this best unlimited crypto arbitrage method. Okay, now if you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Leo and I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you. Go ahead and smash that subscription button, and after smashing the subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. Okay, what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you're watching now. But before going into this video, I want you to use at least 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video. I know the reason why I'm asking you to boop the like button of this video, because you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. Okay, so do it to boop the like button. I'm waiting for you. Smash the like button and we'll proceed. Now with all this being said, let's jump straight into this video. Now guys, the first platform we are going to be making use of is called Fin.do. Okay, now I made a video concerning Fin.do and another platform called 𝐊𝐄𝐃𝐿, and some persons were commenting that they are not able to get access to this platform called Fin.do. But I keep on wondering if I'm the only one that has access to this platform. Okay, now what I want you to do, if you're using Android, I want you to go to Play Store. If you're using iOS, you know where to go to. Now you have to click on Play Store to be able to download this platform. Okay, so once you click on Play Store, I want you to type Fin.do in Play Store. Okay, Fin.do is over here, so you just have to click on Fin.do. Okay, so once you click on Fin.do, I've already downloaded it, but if you're yet to download this application, you will be seeing install instead of open. Okay, because I've already downloaded it, I just have to click on open. Okay, so do well to give this video a like. I'm very sure you're going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. So I have to log into my application, my account of Fin.do, so we'll proceed. Okay, now once you open this application, this is the interface you are going to be seeing. I've linked so many cards to this platform, that's why you're seeing this card. I've linked like 4 or 5 cards in this platform, but if you're yet to link any card, this interface is going to be empty. Okay, now once you've logged into this platform, the first thing I want you to do is to calculate your profit, okay, before you can be able to engage in this arbitrage. Now in my previous video, I keep on making this comment that it's better for you to engage in theoretical aspects of arbitrage to see if it is profitable before you can be able to use your money and engage in the arbitrage. One thing is making money online, and another thing is making sure you don't lose money online. Now once you enter into this platform, I want you to calculate your profits by clicking over here. Okay, click over here in order to calculate your profit first. Okay, now you have to select the country you will be sending money from. I'm in Nigeria, so I have to be selecting Nigeria, okay, as the country I'm sending from. But if you're in Ghana, make sure to select Ghana. If you're in Kenya, make sure to select Kenya. Zimbabwe, Botswana, any country of you are, just click there and select your country. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I have to choose Nigeria as my sending country. Okay, now the next country you are going to be selecting is the country of the person you will be engaging in this arbitrage with. Okay, it could be someone in Ghana, Kenya, Botswana, South Africa, US, UK, it doesn't matter. Okay, now you just have to click over here. So once you click there, you are going to see a whole lot of countries here, okay, like Australia, Bahrain, and a whole lot of them. Now let's make use of let's say Kenya for the sake of this video. So we'll be sending money, we'll be doing this arbitrage with someone in Kenya. So just type Kenya. Kenya is over here, so you click on Kenya. Okay, click on Kenya to select Kenya as the person, as the country of the person you are going to be doing this arbitrage with. So the next place is to type the amount you'll be sending to this person. So let's say we'll be sending the sum of 200,000 naira to this person that is staying in Kenya. Okay, now for 200,000 naira, this person will be getting the sum of 55,306 Kenya shilling. That is what this person is going to be receiving. So we just have to pen it somewhere so you always remember and follow this arbitrage step by step. At this point, I want you to boop the like button. Like I said earlier, you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video. Go ahead and smash the like button of this video in appreciation. And if you are still here to subscribe to this channel, join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, right now that I'm speaking with you, go ahead and smash that subscription button to join this beautiful family. Turn on the bell notification so you always get notified. Smash the like button to show appreciation. Let's go, guys. Now, another thing I want to tell you is this. Don't mind the amount I'm using for this arbitrage, but you have to note one thing. The bigger the capital you are using for arbitrage, the bigger the profit you are going to be making. The smaller the capital you are going to use for arbitrage, the smaller the profit you are going to be making. So it doesn't matter whether you make use of big capital or small capital. The difference is just going to be the profit you are going to be making. Now, let's say we've sent the sum of 200,000 naira to this person staying in Kenya, and the person must have received the sum of 55,306 Kenya shilling point 34. Okay, so this person is going to do what? Send this money back to us using another platform. Okay, now the name of this platform we are going to be making, or the person is going to use in sending this money back to us, is called Binance. I'm going to leave the link of these two platforms in the description of this video, so if you do not have it, go ahead, use the link, click get registered in the platform, and start with this arbitrage. Now the second platform the person is going to use is Binance to send this money back to us. So we are going to move over to Binance to see how much this person is going to be sending, or how much we are going to be receiving from this person staying in Kenya. Let's go, guys. All right, now we are in Binance, and this is the next step I would want you to take. I want you to click over here that says trades. Okay, click there that says trades. Then once you click there, I want you to click this next place that says P2P, right? And once you click on P2P, the next thing I want you to do again is to change this to 𝐾𝐒s, which is Kenya shilling. It's already in 𝐾𝐒s because I'm doing this arbitrage. That's why it's still in 𝐾𝐒s. Okay, but if you're seeing any other currency like NGN, you just have to click over there. Once you click over there, click inside this box to type the name of the country we are making use of. But the country we are making use of in today's video is Kenya shilling. So I would want you to type 𝐾𝐒s, that's the abbreviation for Kenya shilling. So once you click in the box, if you have been making use of the Kenya shilling or GHS or NGN or GBP, you're going to be seeing them right over here. But in case you are not seeing them, just do it to type in the box the abbreviation of the currency 𝐾𝐒s, that's for Kenya shilling. Okay, so once you click on there, you're going to see a whole lot of merchants in Kenya shilling. Now, once the person must have received the money was sent to him or her, okay, what the person is going to do is to log into Binance and make a purchase of USDT worth of 55,306.34 USDT. That is the purchase this person is going to be making on Binance in order to send this money or this USDT to you. Okay, now let's just choose a random merchant. Okay, all right, so we have to type in the amount which the person is going to receive. Remember, it's 55,306.34. okay, now, this person is going to be getting 411.35 USDT. okay, that is the USDT this person is going to be buying in order to send to you. Okay, now at this point, let's say the person must have gotten this USDT and he or she is now going to send it to you. We're going to switch back to your local currency on Binance and see how much, if this person send this USDT to you, how much you are going to be making, and that is where we are going to be calculating the profits we are going to be making in this arbitrage. Now at this point, like I said earlier, do well to like this video to show appreciation. I said you are going to be getting a whole lot of value into this video, and if you are still yet to subscribe to the channel, join this beautiful family by smashing the subscription button and turning on the bell notification. If you have liked this video, I appreciate you are doing well. If you are yet to like this video, go ahead and smash the like button, because you are going to get a whole lot of value into this video. So now let's switch over to our local currency NGN, because I'm staying in Nigeria, to see how much we're going to be receiving and the profit we're going to be making in this arbitrage. Let's go, guys. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is click over here to change this from KES to NGN. Okay, now that we've changed to the local currency, the next thing we're going to do is to sell, because we assume that we've received the sum of 411.95 USDT from this person from Kenya. So the next thing we're going to do is to sell, which is over here. So we have to click on sell. Okay, now we've clicked on sell. We just have to choose a random merchant in order to sell our USDT. So let's choose this first merchant. Now the USDT which we received from this person from Kenya is 411.35. okay, now for 411.35 USDT, we are going to be getting the sum of 303,987 naira. Now remember, our capital is at 200,000 naira. Okay, so we just have to do some calculation and see how much profit we are going to be making in this arbitrage. Okay, so let's move on to my calculator and see how much we are going to be making. Now the profit we made is at 303,987, okay, minus 200,000, which is our capital. You are going to be getting the sum of 103,987. okay, now you are not going to be taking the whole of 103,987 naira. You just have to leave some with the person that you did this arbitrage with, okay, in order for you to keep on engaging in this arbitrage with that particular person. Okay, so let's say you might choose to give this person like maybe 50,000, or it depends on the agreement you are going to reach with this person. Now, as you can see, that this arbitrage is very, very profitable, and that's the reason why I said you have to like this video, because of the value you are going to get from this video. Okay, give this video a like and join this beautiful family by subscribing to this channel. Now this is it, and I would want you to jump into this arbitrage and make a whole lot of money for yourself. All right, now I wouldn't want this video to take time, so I have to recap. Like this video, join this family by smashing the subscription button, okay, and engage in this arbitrage, because it is very, very profitable. And until next time I see you again, just know that Leo loves you, and I want you to keep on winning.